I just received this package today, and let's see what's inside. So this is just a one-day delivery. I ordered this yesterday. So voila, this is the media mode for my GoPro 8. So let's remove this box. So this is basically an attachment to my GoPro. Okay, so let's open this box. So warranty. So these are the instructions how to install my GoPro. So nothing inside. Let's set it aside. So this is it. So this is what's inside this box. So pretty much all these manuals and all this the warranty documents and this stuff. So this is the main GoPro media adapter. We have this extra attachment. Of course, this is standard tightener. Okay, so the reason why I bought this is because I need something to increase the functionality of my GoPro. So right now I have this GoPro, and the thing is this is GoPro 8. Thing is this GoPro 8 has only this USB-C type port in here, and that's it. But the thing is what I need is for me to record audio as well as to monitor to connect an external monitor on this GoPro. This where this media adapter comes on in handy. You can see there's an option for this one is some sort of, so we have this regular USB-C, and we have this port for audio, 3.5mm audio connector, and we have this micro HDMI this is where I'm going to tap my external monitor. So pretty much it's the build of this is a little bit looks like it's a hardened plastic. It's not aluminum. Yeah, it's more of it's a plastic, but it's a high quality plastic, of course. Okay, so how I'm going to use this one? We'll figure it out. Looks like there's some kind of okay, so before anything else, I'm going to compare this with the attachment that I've been using for my GoPro. So this is the new one. This is the media adapter with all this extra port. So what happened is with my GoPro, I only have this class C class C USB port in here, and I will be installing it inside this one. So it will go here. The class B USB connector will be attached here, and it's going to multiply the ports. So over here we have this standard 3.5mm audio connectors slot here, and you have this USB-C connector, and we have this HDMI. So in short, this media adapter is going to increase from just one slot terminal into 3. So this is the reason why I bought this media adapter. And at the same time, there's a speaker in here. Whereas before I only used this regular, this is aluminum bracket adapter for my housing adapter for my GoPro. So the way I use this is to insert it this one. Yeah, so what happened is the only advantage of this kind of adapter is just housing, extra protection for this GoPro, because this is the good thing about this is aluminum. So it's hard, even if you're going to drop this, it is going to offer some kind of protection. That's it. That's the only advantage of this one. And of course, you will be provided with extra cold shoe. 2 cold shoe actually. So if you want to attach a mic in a light on this one. Okay, so let's go back to this media adapter. It looks like there's a hinge over here. Looks like if I'm going to pull this one, there you go. and then of course I need to remove this. So this one is, it has this on so I'm going to remove this. So this one is out, and then I'm just going to slide this. Just to make sure that it's going to, there you go. Yes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I just put this holder attachment that comes with the media adapter. So okay, let's try to explore what kind of gadgets we can attach on both of these on these 3 ports. So we have this audio, which is basically used for this mic. So this is the standard 3.5mm connector for the audio mic. So this is the mic, and then we have this USB-C. Now if I'm going to do an extended recording video, so I need so sometimes this the battery of this this Gopro is very small, so it will only last maybe 30 minutes. So if I'm going to use a battery bank, then I can plug it here. So this is the USB-C type connector. So I'm going to plug it here, and then if I want to use a bigger screen to monitor what's being recorded from here, so I'm going to use this 7-inch external monitor. So this 7-inch has this micro HDMI. So I'm going to use this. There you go. So this is the basic idea of this media Gopro 8 media adapter. So what happened here is I have this media adapter comes with this speaker. This is another good feature of this adapter. In my next video presentation, I will be showing you how I'm going to use this in a live mode. And that's it for the unboxing of this media adapter for this Gopro 8, and see you again on my next incoming video uploads.